So welcome back guys, my name is Amlan and in today's Make Knowledge Free campaign, we go about looking at how you can fix mobile data, that's internet not working on your phone. Now this is a pretty important thing because you may know the pain of not being able to watch your favorite movie on YouTube or maybe not being able to use WhatsApp. So why do you not get internet at times? So let's look at a few possible solutions. The first of which is like insertion of SIM properly on the proper slots. Now here you see is basically a SIM tray for this device. Now this is a dual SIM slot and both of them are 4G compatible. So it's very important to understand what I'm saying here. Basically, if this SIM 1 is just capable of holding a 3G network and I put a 4G SIM there, then basically the SIM is able to transfer data on a 4G network, but it's been put on a 3G slot. So that won't work. So you need to be very careful here. So you see the Geo SIM that I have put here, it's basically only runs on a 4G network. So it's like the Chinese being put in China. If you put them in Japan, maybe they won't work. So that way you need to be very careful of the SIM that you put, and you should be knowing whether the SIM slots in the SIM tray are compatible with the SIMs that you have inserted. Next thing, be very careful that you have inserted the SIM properly so that like they fix in the groove properly. So you will see every SIM tray has this small little groove which lets you know how the SIM is to be inserted. Once you have done that, then you can put it back in. So if that's been put, like this is one thing which needs to be done, like the SIM tray has to be properly inserted with the SIMs properly fit in, and you can slowly see that the network has started to come. Now let's look at what the next steps are. This involves like setting or configuring the mobile networks properly. So it's quite possible that like the SIM which has been put in the SIM tray has not been configured properly. So here like you need to configure your mobile networks. So like if you see, like I had put in two SIMs, one was a carrier for Geo, one was like Idea SIM that I put. Now for me, I know that my Geo runs on pure LTE. So I need to put it on a pure LTE network. Just imagine for a second that some of the Android update may have happened and that this may have, like for example, got mistakenly configured to a 3G or a 2G network. What happens then? Quite obviously, you will not be able to use the Geo SIM because the Geo or this cellular network runs purely on a 4G LTE network. It's therefore important that you make it have the food it understands. So you need to configure it to LTE. Likewise for the other SIM as well, in case the other SIM runs on like 3G or 4G. So it's quite possible that you may want to have it on a LTE 3G network. What it means is the SIM is capable of migrating to a 3G network in case it doesn't find a compatible 4G network, which is actually possible with this SIM here, which is the Idea cellular network. Once the network has been configured properly, also ensure that in case you are using a SIM which is on roaming, that is you are not using the parent network. Now for example, I have this SIM of Geo which I bought in a different city than the one where I reside presently. Therefore I turn the data roaming on. Many times this may be turned off and I may figure that the net is not working properly. So I need to have the data roaming turned on if I'm using this SIM network for internet purposes. How do I configure that? How do I know that whether this SIM is being used for like data or not? So let's look like what is being done. So I go to the SIM card manager and you can see like the mobile data that I'm using. I can configure this to whichever SIM I want. Say in case I have changed it to Geo, now it means that I am using the Geo SIM network. And if I am using the Geo SIM network and if the SIM is on roaming, I need to enable the roaming on. Well, so far so good. After doing this, in case you still discover that the net is not working, there are still some further things that you can do, and that thing is referred to as ABN. So for this, what you need to do is you need to go to the mobile networks, you need to go to the access point names, and here you will see like you have different access point names which you see Geo 4G, Amlan. So once few of which we have set. I can actually go ahead and I can reset it to default. So all APNs you have added will be removed. The other APNs will be reset to their default settings. You can do this, or like in case your net is not working, what you can do is you can go to this APN protocol and just shift it to IPv4 and IPv6 in case your device supports this, because this here will actually mean a lot. So once you have done that, then what you can do is you can obviously save this. In case this is not working, you can further add a APN. We have a tutorial on how to add access point network, so you can go ahead and do that. Say there is still a issue with your net and you are still not able to like access internet. What you can check is like whether you have any usage limit specified on your phone. In case that's the case, you can turn that off as well. Well, in case the device internet still doesn't work, what you can see is whether your mobile network has been turned on. So what you can do is you can go to connections and you can just see like to your SIM card managers whether your mobile data is being turned on to the particular network that you want to access internet for. And if in case it's been turned on, the next thing that you would like to see is, like in this case Jio has been turned on, whether the Jio network has been configured properly. So whether the Jio network has been configured properly is to be seen. And because my Jio is on roaming, so it's very important for me to turn roaming on, right? So this things, once it's done, it should work. If it still doesn't work, what I will still advise is you can turn, like, presently my mobile data is turned on. So what you can do is you can turn off your mobile data, turn on aeroplane mode, wait for a few seconds, turn off aeroplane mode, and then just check on whether turning on the mobile data actually helps you. Maybe resetting the device should also help in this case. Quite few many times what I have seen is like, it may so happen that simply restarting your device and then configuring the network may actually work. But these are a few solutions. Let me know in case some of this helped. Many of the times I have heard people saying that setting their APN manually helps them, like, get the mobile data connection at the earliest. So I will just show that again. Like, you simply need to go to your settings, you need to go towards your connections, you need to go towards the mobile networks, you need to go towards your access point names, and here you can add one, and we will tell you about the different settings in a different tutorial. Simply the most important thing here is like the APN roam protocol is to be set to like IPv4, IPv6, parent needs to be google.com, and you can give it a name, and like, you can give that, you can make that the default one for accessing the net. Presently I'm using it for Jio. It's like the Jio one is being used. If I use Idea, the Idea has a different access point network. What it means is the device accesses the internet using this access point and the settings that been described there. So be sure that it's set to the correct settings. What happens is when we update to latest versions of Android, many times this settings can go for a toss and you may see that things have gone haywire. So you want to reset it to their default. That's why you do that. Hope today's tutorial does help. In case it does, you may like to subscribe to our channel. You may also like to click on the bell icon so that you get notifications of our work. Please do share this with your friends, colleagues, and please do also post comments in the comment section. Your suggestions, your inputs really helps us make new work, make new tutorials, and hopefully this all helps. Last but not least, I may forget this. In case you are still not able to get the internet, you can always do this. You can always select manually in the networks. So in Jio, I may try to search for networks. So this is the worst scenario when you are not able to find any network. Just try searching manually, and in case you find some network here, then you may try to assign this. And if you have a dual SIM phone, you can try doing this for each of the SIMs individually, manually. So that way also it may work in case the network is not accessible. Because in case the network is not accessible, you obviously won't get any internet because there is no network. So you first need network. So you have to find the network. And yeah, so you can see like I found the network. I can now select this and I can assign this. So it's now registering to this. And one very last thing, and this may actually work for a few. So you go to SIM card manager and just check whether the SIM is turned on or off. In case it's turned off, it will not work. So just see whether it's on. So if it's on, then it should work. So that's all that I have today. Hopefully all of this helps. God bless. Goodbye.